Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Soul Seed Tarot. Today let's get some messages for divine masculine energies. These messages are going to be for people who have masculine energies, who possess those energies currently, despite or irrespective of whatever bodily gender they have. This is all about energies. Okay. There is clearly some shift, some change coming in your way. It could be a good change or it could be a bad change. Good change in the sense that you are interested in that. Bad change is in a sense that it may be good for you, but you don't see the good thing in this change. You may not be ready for that. Mentally, you may not be ready for that right now. Okay, this tower moment could be because of a feminine energy, a person who is currently in their feminine energy. This could very well be your love partner or a friend. I see a lot of codependency in between you two. Somebody is putting all their efforts to bring in this change, to bring in this tower moment in this situation, knowingly or unknowingly. Maybe it is intentional, maybe it is not, but there is definitely a tower moment, and you may be right now not ready for that. Maybe you are trying to avoid this as much as possible. You are not interested to engage yourself in this situation. You are not at all interested to entertain this situation for yourself, or for whatever reason it is, you are not willing to give in this relation, in this situation. Let's clarify furthermore. Maybe you need to relax a bit and take some time with cool mind. You need to analyze the situation, think about you and your situation, and what will be the consequences, what will be the outcome in this situation. Tower moments are always reality checks, and sometimes these tower moments, these unexpected changes, these unwanted changes bring in something that is good for you. You may not be willing to go through that change, you may not be ready to go through that, but I see there is some good thing, some recovery coming in your way. if you go through this tower moment. It's never an option if you want or not. If the tower moment is here, you have to go through that, you have to face some challenges or whatever it is. But I see you may not be seeing the long term vision of this change. You may not be realizing the consequences right now. In your eyes, you feel like you are going to degrade if this change comes in your life. Maybe you're just focusing more on your money or material aspect in your life. I get this confirmation. I get two confirmations again and again. Some external force, some feminine energy is trying to bring in this tower moment for you. This tower moment brings some challenges in your way, and maybe right now you are in your comfort zone and you are not willing to take up those challenges, you are not willing to work, you are not willing to put efforts overcoming those challenges. You don't want to put efforts to overcome those challenges right now. Maybe because you think, okay, the change is here, but it is not coming on my time, not on my schedule. This change is not coming as per your schedule. That's why you are being arrogant here, that you don't want to take up these challenges. You don't show any interest in this right now. And I'm also getting a confirmation on a message that you need to talk to yourself about this change. Whatever change is coming, you need to talk about it with yourself. Take some time out, spend some time with yourself, some alone time, and analyze the situation and also analyze yourself. What do you want in this relationship? Or what do you want in this situation? Why you are not willing to take up any challenge right now? Whatever the situation is, you are not seeing or realizing the situation for as it is. You are not showing interest because you see only challenges, but you don't see the positivity or positive outcome that is waiting for you after this change. You are not seeing that clearly. You are in your illusions that all the tower moments, all the sudden unexpected changes only bring negativity or negative situations, sadness, fear, and a lot of tension, trauma, depression. This is your perspective of analyzing a change. And that is why you are not seeing the positive side of this change. See, if you keep on delaying, or if you keep on putting yourself in a pattern of negative thoughts, it will only give you sadness and more sadness. How much you delay the change, how much you try to resist the change, that is how much you will delay the good positive outcome that is waiting for you. See, I'm clarifying again and again, and I'm getting the same message that this tower moment, this change is not to be feared about. This change is coming in for good, for your betterment. Maybe right now you are not able to listen to your intuitions. Okay, it is advised for you to listen to your intuitions, okay? Listen to your inner calling, listen to your intuition. Right now, if you are not able to listen to your intuition, you are not able to realize the outcome. Don't overthink about it. Don't put yourself under pressure thinking about the situation, thinking about the outcome. Because you are only delaying the change. You're See, if the change is here, if the change is brought by the universe, you cannot do anything in that situation, but you can manipulate yourself to accept it, to see the positive side of it. You know what I see? You are in this point, at this point of time, you are not ready to accept this change. But since this tower moment is created by universe, it will happen. You will go through the tower moment, and then when you see yourself after 1 year or few months or so that you have gone through, maybe it could be weeks, maybe it could be days, it doesn't matter the time. I don't see on my cards, but after you see yourself after some time of this tower moment, you will realize that you were a fool to burden yourself under so much pressure to avoid or to delay this change, because you will make good outcome from this situation. You see, it is advised for you to talk to other people about your situation, about your emotions. I channeled this message earlier, but say it. I didn't say it out loud, but I'm channeling it again that you need to talk to other people about your situation. If they could help you, that is well and good. If they cannot help you, then only listening to your uh, feelings, listening to your tension and worry will give you a lot of relaxation. You will be mentally relaxed after you share your feelings with someone. I'm getting the confirmation again that, sorry, I'm getting the confirmation again that you need to go with the flow. Don't resist it, and don't, you know, overthink about it. You are battling yourself and your thoughts right now. I don't see you battling with the tower moment or the change. I see you battling with your own thoughts. You are scared of this change For what reason, I don't know, I'm not sure. As I said, maybe you don't realize the outcome, maybe you don't realize the purpose of this change, maybe you are just seeing it for a short term, nor you don't have a long term vision of this. Come out of your negative mental cycle and communicate with people. I have clarified the change again and again. There is nothing bad in this change, but there is a fear in your heart. This fear mongering in your heart is just giving you nightmares for no reason, for absolutely no reason. You are just thinking like a kid. Kids fear a lot of things, even small things, they fear because they don't have the knowledge, they don't have the wisdom, they don't understand things. That's why they fear a lot. I see you in that energy right now. I see you being very fearful right now. But you see, your guardian angel or your ancestors or God, whatever you believe in, spirits, God, or whatever it is, you are in their hands. Trust them. You need to trust the higher powers. If possible, surrender to them. That in this situation, you are not able to control your overthinking. To show them, to show yourself, to show you some light in this situation, you need to trust them. I see you very, very, very in a childish energy right now. Okay, that's all I had for you. If it resonated, you can check the full video. Sorry. Again, I'm not preparing for shorts. Okay, if it resonated, you can like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. We will see you in the next video. Bye bye.